Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at how to manually back up your website so that you always have an up-to-date copy of your website also. As you know, we back up your website for all clients each day, but it doesn't hurt to have a backup of your own website somewhere on your desktop. So what we're going to do, as always, is log into our dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, each person will now see a backup tab. You're going to click on this backup tab. Once you do, you're going to be on the export. Here what we want to do is we want to click on this green button that says export to. We're going to simply click on file. Once we do that, it's going to prepare our export, put all the files of our website together, all the databases, and pretty much put everything into a zip folder for you. As you can see, it's just archiving all the files of the website now. And once this is done, we'll display a download link for you to download it directly to your computer. So if we just give this a minute now, there you go. So we can download this backup directly to our computer, or should we wish, it will always be in our backups tab. So if we go to backup, we have export, import, and backups, and it will always be in here for downloading later on. If we want to restore that backup, we can simply press import. And then it's going to ask us to import from. Simply click import from, click on file, and upload the file from your computer.